Hi guys! Ngayon pag-uusapan natin ng isang bagay na makakatulong sa future career goals nyo. Okay? We're trying to understand the importance of psychological assessment when choosing your career path. Choosing a career is one of the most significant decisions that you would ever make. It's a financial decision. It influences your happiness, success, and sense of fulfillment. But how can you be sure you're making the right choice? Paano nga ba? This is where psychological assessment comes in. First, understanding your intelligence quotient or IQ na tinatawag natin. This can provide insight into the types of careers that would be fitting for your skills. Your IQ affects your ability to solve problems, learn new skills, and think critically. All essential for different professions, no? Kailangan natin ng good level of IQ. Knowing your IQ level helps set realistic expectations, allowing you to align your goals with your cognitive strengths. So, pag sinasabi nating kailangan nating alamin ang IQ natin, ibig sabihin, parang computer tayo. Ito yung RAM, the fastest way you can process an information. Meron tayong kilala, di ba? Parang nagbabasa lang siya, mamaya memorize na niya. O kaya naman the other person is just listening to an information just one time and they're okay with it. Paano kaya yun? Because it's also about the IQ. Okay? The next thing that you need to know to set up your career goals properly would be your lifestyle. Lifestyle choices and social adaptability would play a big role too. If you value balanced life, you may prefer careers with flexible schedules, or if you adapt easily to different social dynamics. Roles requiring collaborations or leadership might be a perfect fit. So, hindi ka pumapasok lang sa isang trabaho without checking your preferred lifestyle. Mamaya, gustong-gusto mo pala na nakikipag-socialize, tas biglang naka-work from home ka 12 hours a day. So, you have to really think kung ilang hours ba yung trabaho mo o kaya naman kailangan mo bang mag-shift into workplace settings na on-site. So when you understand these aspects of yourself, your IQ, your personality traits, and your lifestyle preferences, you can make informed decisions that maximize your potential. You can choose paths that not only match your abilities, but also bring out the best in you. Ang personality mo pala, parang gusto mo mag-isa ka lang nagtatrabaho. Tapos biglang, ang trabaho mo is nasa employee engagement ka o kaya gumagawa ka ng events management. There's a lot of energy that you need to expand when that happens because that's not part of who you are. That's not what you really enjoy as a person. So if you're feeling unsure about your career decision, consider taking a psychological assessment. It's not just a tool, it's a roadmap to a future where your goals, strengths, and happiness align. Remember, mas kilala mo ang sarili mo, mas okay pagdating sa career goals mo. I hope this helps. Have a wonderful day.